Hello and welcome everyone. So in today's video we are going to solve this nice geometry problem. In fact, in this question two semicircles are given. One is smaller and one is bigger one. And a smaller semicircle touches the diameter AB of bigger semicircle at C. The length of line segments AC and CB are given as 4 units and 6 units respectively. And here we have to find out the area of this shaded region, that is shaded with green color. So here very first we will be using some kind of constructions. So let's call this point as the center of bigger circle and name it as O. So from here we can write AO is equal to OB, that will be half of AB. And here AB length is 4 plus 6, that is 10 units of length, and when it is divided by 2 we will have 5. Here AO is of 5 units of length. In fact, this is the radius of bigger circle and let's call it as capital R. So here capital R is 5 units of length. And further, let's consider this point as the center of a smaller circle and name it as M. And if we join C with M, that is nothing but the radius of a smaller circle. And if we call this point as T, here Tm will also be the radius of a smaller circle. And if we call the radius of a smaller circle as R, so this will be R units of length. Similarly, this will be R. Here AB is nothing but the tangent of a smaller circle. So if we join the center with the point of contact of tangent of any circle, that means this angle will be of 90 degree. Here this angle is also 90 degree. So if we drop any perpendicular from T on segment AB, so let's call this foot as U. Here this angle will also be 90 degree, and the remaining this angle will also be 90 degree, and TU will also be the radius of the circle, and here UC will also be the radius of the circle. So from here UC is of R unit of length and AO, this is 5 units of length, that is nothing but the radius of bigger circle. So here CO will be of 1 unit, that means CO will be of AO minus AC, that will be of 1 unit of length. So here UO will be of R plus 1, and if we join T with this point O, so this will be nothing but the radius of bigger circle. That means TO will be of 5 units of length. And here TU is the radius of a smaller circle, that is small r. So if we consider right angle triangle TUO, so in right angle triangle TUO, if we use the Pythagorean theorem, that means from here we can write TO square is equal to TU square plus UO square. And if we put all the values, so from here we can write, very first we will write TU square plus UO square. So TU square will be of R square and UO square will be of R plus 1 square, and TO square will be of 5 square, that will be 25. So if we simplify this equation we will have R square plus, and here we will be using the identity A plus B raised to 2, so it will become R square plus 2R plus 1, and right hand side we have 25. So from here we will have 2R square plus 2R plus 1 negative 25 equal to 0. Further, from here we can write 2R square plus 2R negative 24 equal to 0. Further, from here if we divide this equation by 2 on both sides, we will have R square plus R negative 12 equal to 0. So the factors of left hand side will be of, in fact, those will be r plus 4 and r negative 3, and right hand side we will have 0. So from here we can conclude that the values r will either be negative 4 or 3. So here r is nothing but the radius of a smaller circle, that means it cannot be negative. So from here we have radius of a smaller circle, that is r is equal to 3 units. And here we also have the radius of bigger circle, that is 5 units of length. So with this manner we have radii of both the circles, and we have to find out the area of this green region. So in order to find the area of this green region, we will be subtracting the area of a smaller semicircle from the area of bigger semicircle. So if we apply this calculation, so from here we will have the area of bigger semicircle, that will be 1 by 2 times pi of r square, then minus area of smaller semicircle, that will be 1 by 2 times pi of r square. So if we simplify this equation, we will have, if we taking pi by 2 as common, so further we will have 5 square, that will be 25, 3 square, that will be 9. So if we simplify it, it will become 16 pi divided by 2. After simplification, it will give 8 pi. This is the required area of the green region, and this is the required answer of the question. So I hope you understand the solution that we discuss here. So please like the video, share it with your friends who loves mathematics, and please subscribe to the channel, and more importantly, thanks a lot for watching this video.